What's up, guys? It's your boy the Badwolf coming at you live from the Wolf Den. Alright, so I want to thank everybody out there who's been supporting the channel and helping to continue to push this information and, essentially restoring our freedoms and rights over benefits and privileges. So that being said, I also want to thank the people out there who've gone to blacksite32.com. That's where you get all the free files and the pay files and consultations and all that good jazz. Thank you guys for the donations. Once again, they definitely help, to promote, us doing what we do here. So apologize for the noise. Apparently it's plane flyover day, so you're going to hear that. Hopefully it's not too distracting. Other than that, don't forget to check out the Badwolf channel. Badwolf Media channel. That is where I have all of my personal videos, just getting that ramped up and trying to get some new content and preparing what I'm going to do, all that good jazz. So that's about it. That being said, let's get into it. So this particular video is going to be about common law copyrights. Okay, so what is a common law copyright? All right, well, anything that you've been using that nobody else can make or lay claim to is yours. All right, so essentially you've been using your own name, maybe your family crest, maybe a certain symbol, whatever it is. Okay, it's yours. Okay, you have the right to claim it. Now, the official way to do I shouldn't even say official, I should say in the United States jurisdiction, the proper way to do a copyright is to go to your state's website, and on there it'll say something like file a copyright or make a claim or something like that, or file a copyright claim. So you're going to get that, fill out the paperwork, and then essentially send it in. That's it. And as long as no one else is using it, it is yours. Otherwise you'll have some legal issues and you'll have to, fight in court who had it first, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so how do you do a common law copyright? All right. Well, essentially, the way I would do it, the way some people have done it, is you make let's say it's your name, let's say it's your family crest, a symbol, or whatever you're using. All right, you're going to take that, draw it all up on some paper, okay, or do it on your computer, scan it or whatever else, put it into a file. You're going to take that file, okay, and you're going to make sure you have things in there like the date you first used it, and then obviously the date of when you're actually printing it up, and why you feel it's yours, places that you've used it, as much pertinent information about your symbol, name, whatever it is, crest, you can. All right, and then what you're going to do is you're going to put that in an envelope and mail it to yourself. All right, so what that does is now in that international mail jurisdiction, or I guess if you want to say federal too, more so, now it has a stamp on there and it's sealed. Okay, and as long as you don't open that, you have this as your claim to first use on, whether it's your name, your crest, your family symbol, your image. You can use your own image, anything that's yours, that you don't want other people using. Okay, so you've got that, so keep that. You might even want to you can do two. I mean, you can do as many as you want, but in case one gets messed up, at least you have a secondary copy. I'm very big in redundancy. And then obviously you print off just one for yourself, keep one on the computer. So now you've got a record of your transactions. It's officially labeled. Now, this information was given to me by a patent lawyer, and he said this is a way to also do a poor man's patent. This way it proves that on this date it was stamped, you had it, and that way if somebody else in the future uses it, now you have proof that on this particular date you used it and it was yours. You came up with the idea. It's your material. So another way to also do it is if you already have a UCC one filed, you can also do a why is it so loud? Really, guys? You can also do a UCC3. Now, a UCC3 is an addendum to your existing file. So once again, you go to your state website where they do the UCC filings, and then what you're going to do is search for your name, search for your number. You find it. It's going to say, like, what do you want to do? And you just hit the UCC3 or an addendum, And then once you do is you then take that file that you made for your copyright, common law, name, symbol, logo, crest, image, whatever, and upload that to that UCC3. Okay, and then they're going to give you a whole nother number for that addendum. All right, so now it's protected on an international level because that's what the jurisdiction the UCC operates on, you know, is worldwide. So that's really about it, guys. That's just a short way of protecting your. I mean, even if you guys want to protect your sign, like I have a sign on my house for removing the revocation of implied license. You know, letting officers and foreign U.S. Citizens and federal employees that this property is not U.S. property. So if you want to protect that, do you have to? No, but it's up to you. Depends on how far you want to throw the rock, so they say. So that's about it, guys. I appreciate you. Don't forget to hit that bell, like, subscribe on the way out. The Badwolf. We'll talk to you guys later.